herb, garlic and herb. I love garlic. So this is the garlic powder. And I'm going to put some pimento seed in here, like just a tablespoon. Then this is the Jamaica garlic and escallion allspice. Garlic again in this. And it's smelling good already. It is smelling so good already. Yes, it smells real good. And I don't put added salt in my food, in my meat. I only put the seasoning. I don't put added table salt. And that was my board that I was cutting my chicken up with. So here's this was washed already. This was washed already, but I'll wash it again for the camera. And I'll just cut it like real rough because it's going to come out of that when it's finished cooking. These are my escallions that I've already washed. But I'll do it again at the sink. And I'll just dice these up on there, on the chicken back. So I'm currying some chicken back. That's what I'm doing, currying the chicken back. Yum, yum. So I'm going to have it curry, and I'm going to put it in the fridge to marinate for a couple hours. And later, I'm going to get up, and I'm going to cook it for my dinner with some white rice. So this is a Scotch bonnet pepper. It's already washed, as I said. So I'm cutting it up. These are the red one with the peppers in it. This is the green one. Yes. So for thyme, I've already washed these. And I'm cutting them up all with the pepper, the seeds in it, because I love it real hot. And I'll just rinse off this knife. I'll rinse off this knife. And I will cut up my peppers. I'm not going to use all the peppers. I'm just going to use half of it. Alright, those go back in the fridge. So I'm just going to cut these up. Cut these up. As you see. How are you doing, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe, please. Thank you. So I'm going to season these, cut these up, and yes. Then I don't forget the curry. That's the main thing. I will put the curry in it. It will be in there. Yeah. So I put cutting these peppers up. And whoa, smell that Scotch bonnet pepper. Ooh. And that seasoning. And I don't rub it in as yet, and it smells so good. Yes. So I'm cutting these up on my chicken that I've already washed and cleaned up to cook for dinner today. And this is my Blue Mountain Jamaica curry, and this is going to go on the chicken. And also, when I'm ready to cook the chicken, I will burn some curry in the Dutch pot, also for the chicken before I cooked it. So I think that's enough. This is also my Grace butter bean that I'm going to put in it too. Ooh, this smells so awesome. So I'm going to rub this in, the seasoning in the chicken. And then, ooh, you should smell my kitchen. Wow, this Scotch bonnet pepper is so overpowering. It is so overpowering. It smells so good. So I season this up, And there you go. There's my curry chicken right here. You can see it right here in the pan. So I'm going to have this covered, and I'm going to wash my end real quick so you can see me washing my end real quick. And then, ooh, the chicken smells so good in the kitchen. Ooh, it permeates all over the kitchen. And so, I am going to have this covered up, and I'm going to put this in my refrigerator. Just a minute. And let it marinate for a couple hours, about like 3 hours, because I'm not in a rush to cook it, because I'm not that hungry. So I'm not in a rush. So I let it marinate. I usually season my meat for like a day or two, but I never get to season it. Yesterday, because I had to work, so I have to put these back in the refrigerator, these peppers, but I'll do it at length, and put back all my seasoning where they need to go. And when I come back later to cook my curry chicken back, then I will come back in live again, and I will show you how I cook the curry chicken back. So thank you again for listening. I appreciate it. So come back again and watch me cook my curry chicken back with white rice for my dinner. And hope you enjoy this video showing you how I season my curry chicken back. I'm going to put some carrots in it later when I'm cooking it. And I'm also going to put the butter bean in it also. Okay, so you have a nice day, and I'll see you later. Thank you.